Sanibonani nonke nibukele le video le. Namhlanje sizokwenza i-question paper le ephelele March 2026 Limpopo. Then ikanje question 1 up to question 8. So wenza nje wonke lama questions lawo. Then la bathi ke solve for x question 1 lo. Then solve for x for only 3 marks. For only 3 marks kuyinto kumele siyenze thina solve for x kumele senze njani factorize le lokhunjane le equation since ikwi standard form. Then kusho ukuthi ke sizoba nama brackets awu2. Then if factorize using quadratic formula kuzoba easy nakhona, but ke usuzoyisolve as if la kuno equals to. Then ma solve ama factors then aka 1 lana ubani okay ithini x then mase kuba x, so that's more multiply kuphume lo x squared. Then ubuyise greater than 0 kuzoba ubani ama factor ka 1 ubani 1 multiplied by 1. Then lawo ma factor amkhipha -2. Yes, amkhipha. Then kusho ukuthini ke kumele kube no minus since lana kuno minus angithi le sign la isho ukuthi ama sign lezi number ama factor lawa azowenza njani ama sign wazo azofana. Since kuno negative, lo negative kumele aphume ke ngokuthi nala kube khona u negative kanje. Mase ukanjena ke usuwenza njani ke sekufana nokuthi no equal to 0 angithi should sesithini x minus 1 is greater than 0 or x minus 1 greater than 0. Therefore mase transpose izothi x is greater than 1 nalana futhi kuzofana nakhona since mawubheka multiply x squared minus x plus 1 kanje for only 2 marks bekuyiyona solution yakho kumele uyenze le since la vele kuyafana kuzofana naloko ngapha. Then equation elandelayo bese ithi nayi ikanje kusinani sine set la for 4 marks ukusolve le question. Masine set into esiyenzayo si isolate set then si get rid of set should square root lesi mele sisiqede. Then since si isolatekile sekuyiside layo lodwa sekumele senze njani thina sekushoda sekumele senze njani ukuze si remove square roots because sifuna lo x ophakathi sekumele senze njani sithi square both sides sifake square root ilo squared uzokwazi ukuthi enjeni squared a remove lelo khunjane le square root. Mase lana kubobanike kuzoba if lo khunja ithi 2x minus 1 angithi kanje 2x minus 1 because sekuno 2 usho ukuthi sekumultiply ku2 equal to lana siyakhanseleka isquare root sekusele u4 minus 5x njengoba desifuna. Then la mawuthi uya multiply kuba phuma bani u4 x squared angithi multiply la ngokubili ubuye multiply la kuphuma minus 2x angithi mase uza kulo le term yesibili nale phuma -2x ubuye uze la phume la multiply by lo because besiqedile ngalo phuma -2x futhi -2x about 2 bazokhipha -4x then sekukhanuza kule ugcina ethini -1 multiply by -1 ku positive 1. Bese ukanje so uya transpose so wenza ama like term esondele wodwa u4x squared la mase kuza banike -5 mayeza lapha neza ngapha uzoba seba positive okwenza ukuthi kuzoba ubani u5 kuzobuya njengokuthi u5 -4 because bangama like term shuthi kuzosala banike kuzosala upositive bani 1x okubani oku-x kanje if lo esifike ngapha u4 mayeza ngapha ku1 uzoba negative uzofana nobani no1 -4 oku -3 equals to 0. From la usungasebenzisa ilo ufactorize or usebenzisa i-quadratic formula ethi -b. Okay, mawusebenzisa formula yakho uzothi -b a wakho lo b wakho 1 mase ithi b squared minus 4ac if uyisebenzisa izokukhiphela kanje for yilo ku calculator yakho. Then shuthi sine factor oqala ethi since ku4/3 u4 lo lana uyabuya akhuphuka bela kuba u4 then sidinga ux angithi kuba u4x since i-positive la i-number le siyenza thina ibe enye i-sign opposite le positive la shuthi kuzoba minus banike i-numerator ewu3 mase senza njani siqhubeka futhi sicinge esibili ngokushintsha isign la kuphuma -1 shothi sizoba ubani u-x bani plus 1 since beku -1 lapha then so wenza njalo ke so uthi lokhu equal to 0 then mosolve uzothola equal to -1 la futhi lokhu kodwa uzothatha kodwa as kulingana no0 since seku product la then no0 ngale sekuzoba u4x minus 3 equal to 0 x equal to u3 over 4 then ke njalo makune root kanje uzenza njani ekugcineni uzocheck i-answer akuso right khona akusongeka uzoba wrong iko sizothini or x so check u-x right ke wena ubuyela kuphi ukuze ucheck u-x right ungabuyela nala noma ubuyele nalaphana kumele ucheck ukuthi iyamikhipha yini u0 noma siyenze kanjani siyenze njengokuthi okay siyenze kanje square root then sithi 4 minus 5 ufaka x oqala wakho ucheck ngo-1 then mase wenza njani mase angithi ilokhu imkhohla lo square abangibafakile so as transpose ubani u-2 ezingapha zoba u-2 then isikhaleni sakho sofaka u-1 kumele kukhiphe bani u-1 lo sale la since akumkhiphi shuthi u-1 akayona i-answer yethu ake sicheck ngobani ngo-3 over 4 for 3 over 4 yabona ukuthi ukhipha u-1 lo sale ngapha kusho ukuthi u-3 over 4 kuphela u-right shuthi lana siwenza njani so uthi not equal to ukuze lento iyenze iqiniso laphana then sibuye ku-4 marks la 4 marks uthola ngokuthi uconclude la ukuthi le x o -1 awuyona i-answer. Question 2 ama-number patterns bathi lana given the finite arithmetic sequence 5 1 minus 3 iqhubeka kanjalo then nawo ama-terms amabili okugcina last 2 terms awani awe-arithmetic sequence then bathi write down question yakhona 2.1.1 write down the fourth term number 4 of the sequence ithini sequence yethu ithi 5 besithi 1 besithi -3 ukuze sithole i-term is 4 senza njani i-term is 4 phela ngithi la 1 2 3 4 for i-arithmetic senza njani sithola i-difference between ama-terms i-term ephambili minus i-term esemuva kuphombani 1 minus 4 to ukuthola i-difference constant difference u-4 nalana futhi uphuma u-4 then ukushuthi-ke i-constant difference esilokhu ubani u-4 ukuze kuthole le phambili kwenza njani uthi le plus le number uthole i-term elandelayo kanjalo 4 plus -4 kuphuma u1 lana kuphuma bani u-7 shuthi i-term es4 uyinumber iyulo u-7 i-term es4 u-7 kanje bese kuthi-ke beku-1 mark lokho bese kuthi i-question elandelayo ithi calculate the number of terms of the sequence for ucalculate ama-number of terms basuke bethini ukuthi calculate ama-number of terms bathi calculator ukuthi mangakhi ama-term akule pattern angithi uyabona ukuthi lawa angakhi awu4 lawa engiwabhalela term number 1 2 3 4 so bala ukuthi esepheleleke mangakanani since-ke sinikeziwa amabili ogcina iformula yethu inayo ivalue ka-n erepresenta ukuthi term number 1 term number last kanjalo iformula yethu ithini ye-arithmetic ithi Tn is equal to a plus into n minus 1 multiplied by ud isho kanje or for i-arithmetic futhi enye iformula yakhona ithini ithi Tn equal to okay asenze ngale ile yena ezosisiza iyona formula yethu lo n le represent ukuthi makuno 7 la shuthi term number 7 sesikhuluma ngayo into sekumele siyenzeke thina ngithi sifuna ini ama-number of terms angithi ama-number of terms then lona ngithi term number 1 term number 2 term number 3 shuthi thina la since uthi n representa iy'number lezi represent inamba, isikhala sathini sirepresenta yonke inamba le i-value. Shuthi thina masifaka unamba u5 la, then sothi kukhona konke lokhu nalokhu. Masisolve u-n sothola u-n o1 since sifake u5 angithi. Shuthi u-term number 1. Yingakho-ke sothatha thina bani i-term yokugcina ezosinikeza ukuthi-ke i-term number bani ngokwenamba i-position. Shuthi thina i-term yethu yokugcina ubani since sifuna ukuthola ama-number of terms. Kumele sifake inamba le ekugcineni. U-minus 87 is equal to u-a i-first term always. I-first term okubani oku-5 ngokwale pattern plus u-n lesson simdingayo minus 1. U-d yi-constant difference la okuyile term le d le number lela engashintshi okubani oku-negative 4. Then usuzokwenza kanjani-ke? Since ufuna u-n yedwa shuthi uzosala no-n minus 1 angithi ukuze asale ayedwa. Kumele wenze njani? Lo kunye ikhambi-ke ngale shuthi khona u-minus 87 ngale u5 naye kubela ngale ezojoyina abuya bese uba negative 5 because be positive. Kanjalo-ke no minus 4 angithi bela bemultiplyile ukuze simqede asidivide ngayo. Ushuthi sisodivide ngobani? U-negative 4 nala bakhanselana then kusale kanje. Then u-n wethu lingana no-minus 87 minus 5 over negative 4 plus 1. Lokhu kuzosinikeza inamba minus 87 minus 5 minus 4 plus 1 kusinikeza u24. U24 okuwukuthi inamba ethembisayo. Why? Because i-positive position angithi ayibe negative. Kusho ukuthi i-right i-positive kanje kumele ibe positive ngaso sonke isikhathi. Then shuthi ngoba lo 24 represent ukuthi sithi sifakele term leyo 87 shuthi position number 24 shuthi ama terms awungakhi awu24 because i-position yokugcina le shuthi 24 terms akule sequence because le since sinikeziwe nje ukuthi term yokugcina ngobonile kube nama dots aqhubekayo kwaseqhubeka kwenzelwa ama term yokugcina awu2 bese shuthi sesiqedile ngale bekude max. Sesidlulela kwelandelayo ethi calculate the sum of all the numbers of the negative numbers in the terms. Then sifuna isum yama negative numbers in the terms. Ngale indlela i-equation ithi hlanganisa wonke ilokhu njani ama term a negative kule pattern uthola ukuthi alingana nobani iyona sum yawo ke. Uzowabona kanjani? I-pattern yethu iqala ithini? Ithi angithi minus 5 ithi sino 5 sino 1 sino minus 3 kanjalo iqhubeke mase ithi ama-term okugcina amabili minus 83 no minus 87 khulunywe ngale sequence. Kushuthi ud wethu lokhu minus 4 angithi minus 4 all the way. Okusho ukuthini ke? Into ozoyinotice angithi la sinobani minus 7 simtholile kade besibuza yena naye le pattern iyo le. Bathi sina sicalculate isum yawo wonke ama terms negative. Mozo notice vele lawa awu2 a positive ama terms. Mwahlanganisa kuzokhipha u6 ukuthi a positive thina sifuna a negative. A negative aqala kuphi? Aqala ku minus 3. Yabona ukuthi from minus 3 ku obvious ukuthi azoba negative wonke because i negative number plus negative number to get ama terms alandelayo up till to i-term yokugcina. Kusho ukuthi i-sequence yethu ukuze sithole isum yawo ingaqala kuphi? Kule term negative up to le term yokugcina nayo sense negative. Shuthi azokhanda ile pattern le ngapha. Uyabona? Kusho ukuthini? Sithola ukuthini? Ama terms ale pattern le awungakha u24 angithi wonke sephelele for a negative azoba mangakhi? Phume i-term yokuqala nesibili shuthi minus ama terms awu2 minus 22 positions position awu24 minus 2 positions okusho ukuthi lokhu njani sosala no 22 terms aseseleke for ama negative terms. Then for calculate isum yawo since kusey arithmetic angithi shuthi for isum siyazi ukuthi isum yawo22 Sn is equal to n over 2 a plus i-last term nayi enye formula engasisiza ngithi noma kube yipi ethi n over 2a plus n minus 1 multiply by ud. It's either uthatha le noma uthatha le. Lana lena iyakusiza ukuthi kulula since kuyini i-last term yakho uyayazi vele. Okusho ukuthini? Kusho ukuthi isum sifuna isum ama-terms are-negative awungaki saphelele wonke awu-22 is equal to n kumele pause ukuthi awungaki over 2 i-term yokuqala yethu ubani-ke u-3 because sidila ngale pattern lethina from negative, then minus 3 minus 87 phuma i-answer yethu la, or uze kule ngapha usebenzise le formula kuzoba ubani u-n umele bani u-20 bani 22 over 2 u-2 minus 3 kanje u-minus 4 lapha, then usuya-check-a ukuthi ithini i-answer 22 over 2 oku-11 masithi 2 multiply by negative 3 plus u-22 minus 1 times negative 4 uzosikhiphela u-negative 990. Lana mawucheck-a wona kwenzeka kanjani 22 over 2 minus 3 minus 87 yabona ukuthi minus 990 nayi isum yawo yabo ukuthi it's either ukhethe le formula or le still usazoba right. Okusho ukuthi sesiqedile ngale question ebeyi-3 marks. Then futhi ngasho ukuthi ngithi all la because option yesibili obungayikhetha. Bese sizalana ukuthi 2.2 still is a question eyodwa. Base bethi the 10th and the 7th terms of arithmetic sequence are 21 and 49 respectively. Ama-terms ani arithmetic sequence shuthi i-term yes-10 nes-17 iwubani 21 and 49 respectively. Mabethi respectively basho ukuthi ngokulandelana kwakhona 21 49 njengokuthi 10 17 shuthi lana ubani u10 u17 10 17 10 17 into abayisho leyo kusho ukuthi 21 wala then 49 wala, then i-arithmetic le base bethi for ama-word problems akanjena. Ngithi word problem le bayakuchazela abakubhalelanga i-pattern yonke nenamba. Into oyisebenzisa kakhulu lana ilokhu njani i-knowledge yokuthi ama-terms uyakwazi ukuwa-representa as like expression. Lana babese bethi determine the coefficient difference of the sequence. Babuza i-value kabani ka-d. Thina masitshela ukuthini i-term yes-7 angithi uthi 7 angithi nobani uthi 7 lekana nobani no-21 oh sorry 10 term number 10 base bethi term number bani 17 lekana no-49 ukuze sitholeke i-value ka-d. Uyabona lama terms lawo awa-relate, akukho like first term second term then uzovele subtract then uthole 21 yabona no-7 u-10 no-17 awalandelana ama-terms. Okusho ukuthi i-method oyisebenzisayo yiphi ilena yokusebenzisa ekwazi ukuthi u-term number 1 is equal to a, then u-term number 2 is equal to bani a plus i-constant difference kanjalo, then term number 3 is equal to a plus u2d because i-difference so i-eta kwesingakhi okwesibili etudila then uthole u-term number 3. Okusho ukuthi yayibona le relationship maku-term number 3 lana kuba yini le number leyo la iba less than u3 by 1. Kusho ukuthi u-term number 8 uzoba bani is equal to a plus ubani 79d. Yabo ukuthi kushiyana ngo1 kanjalo-ke uzosebenzisa leyo method oyaziyo. Futhi term number 10 uzoba a plus u9 bani 9d is equal to bani 21. So representa loku ngale kanjalo nangapha term number 17 or 49 is equal to a plus ubani 16d. Futhi lena yini ngasho ukuthi equation 1 wakho equation 2 then okumele ukwazi iphethini eyodwa a represent first term futhi la ungenza uthi 21 minus u9d bese uthi equation 2 wakho okay. Then usizosolve bani wena ufuna i-constant difference kule equation okuyivalue ka-d nayo ivalue ka-d iyafana iphethini eyodwa angithi first term iyafana kusho ukuthi-ke ungasolve simultaneous uvele uthathe lokhu usubstitute laphana then uthole bani u-d wakho okuwukuthi usuzoba nobani no-49 kule equation olingana nobani u-a wakho usuzothatha lokhu konke since u-a iyafana sizomrepresenta as in terms of number and u-d u-21 minus 9d plus u-16d lokhu sekusubstitutile then siwenza njani-ke siwabheka ukuthi 16 minus 9 16 minus 9 lokhu okubili kuthola bani u-7d olingana nobani no-49 ongale plus no-21 obela kumele ayiqeke esizothi thina 49 minus 21 because simtransposile la ngalena kuzobani u-28 then u-d wethu sebobani because sifuna u-d sesiya divide by u-7 u-d wethu ulingana nobani ulingana no-4 u-28 divided by 7 ulingana no-4 uyena constant difference ekade beyidinga le constant difference la it's matter of transposing and nama-sign ukwa-notice bese kuthi-ke yabo ukuthi masila vele singakwazi sivele sithole u-d straight from i-point bese sithola nani ne-nth term yakhona erepresenta ama-terms wethu or sithole nje ama-terms wonke esiwadingayo lana sebethini-ke u-term number 22 sorry u-2.2.2 bathi calculate u-term number 1 plus term number 18 mozoyibuka lento ayikho into ekanje equation ihlanganisa izinto nje vele ithi calculate izinto ekanje wena kumele unotice ukuthi kumele uthole le term yodwa nale yodwa because ayikho i-term ehambisana nje ukuthi ngihamba nesum kanje then usuthola yona straight from the point kusho ukuthi kumele uthole le term ngayinye nale ngayinye then emva lapho sisakhuluma ngithi bese uyahlanganisa because sikhuluma ngepattern eyodwa okusho ukuthi u-term number 1 umthola kanjani u-term number 1 uyini uyi-first term ivalue ka-a sho ukuthi ivalue ka-a uzoyithola kanjani nangu ivalue ka-a lapha a is equal to bani 21 minus 9 u-d ubani u-4 uthola bani u-term number 1 manje sho ukuthi lento ithini term number 1 angithi oku-21 minus 9 uzosikhiphela u-12 uthi u-a wethu u-12 then u-term number 18 ubani term number 18 is equal to angisithethe nobani u-a plus ishiyana ngokodwa ubani u-17d ke ngoba u-18 because angithi kuyashiyana futhi u-a wethu ubani u-12 plus u-17 okubani oku-positive 4 esesizoba no-12 plus 17 multiplied by 4 uzosikhiphela ku-80 u-80 la mase wenza njani-ke sikhani kuzoyithola lento abayishoyo ethi term number 1 plus term number 18 then okulingana nobani-ke lokhu lingana nobani term number 1 u-12 plus u-8 okulingana nobani 80 plus because u-10 la u-8 la 10 plus 8 or 1 plus 8 uzokhipha u-9 then 2 plus 0 then u-92 kanje ngokuthanda kuba u-92 kanje 8 plus u-12 uba u-92 bekuyiyona u-3 marks obubuzwe kule question siqhubeke kanjalo futhi sekuma number pattern ku-2.3 sebethi given isum ekanje isum then yabona ukuthi yini le esukila yini i-n term yaleyo sum yabona i-nth term yakhona then akuyona ilokhu njani isum ilokhu njani iformula yesum akuyona le expression le akuyona le expression le lesukila lapha so kuyi-nth term yaleyo pattern ngqo yabona then lena nje le-part specifically since uyibona ikanje iyi-linear kusho ukuthi yiphi i-pattern e-linear yini arithmetic kusho ukuthi le sum ye-arithmetic then kodwa masiphelele isum yethu lingana nobani kusho ukuthi mawa-add wonke ama-terms akhiphela le number le okay equation kusho ukuthi lana u-n represent ukuthi lana from term number 1 since sithole le sum engaka bese sihlanganisa i-term yokuqala up to i-term ekunumber bani ngazi lena ikunumber 1 lena ikunumber bani esingamazi ngenza ukuthi basibuze yona cause we-unknown la kule phethina le information angithi uyabona. Then sebenza njalo-ke sebethi-ke write down the first 3 terms of the series. Uma uthola ama-first 3 terms of the series udinga n term yawo cause iyona iwa-generator. Okusho ukuthi i-n term siyayazi thina ngithi siyakwazi ukuyibona yile. Shuthi for term number 1 u-n represent ukuthi position number 1. So thola i-term yokuqala shuthi substitute lakhe. So 4 multiply by faka 1 la. Then ama-first 3 terms. Then uthola bani-ke 4 minus 19 shuthi uzothola bani sithi la ufaka u1 ngeshintsho shuthi u-minus 15 siqhubeke senze njani sifake u2 cause siya ku term number 2 manje sithola bani u-negative 11 sisithola i-term is 3 cause bathi 3 yangithi first 3 terms lo oqala nje angathi awu3 sithola bani u-negative 7 yiwo ama-first 3 terms lawo ele phethini le. Then okusho ukuthini-ke sesiwutholile u1 mark. Then siye ku-question yokugcina-ke ku-question 2 ethi calculate i-value ka-m. I-value ka-m ihlangana kanjani? Le m represent ukuthi si-term number yokugcina then sinikezwe nani nesamo. Kusho ukuthi asiyicabange, kumele sicabange isamo. Ngesilwele question ngicabanga isamo sithi sinikezwe isamo. Isamo yani arithmetic. Then usubheka ukuthini-ke since last term asiyazi angithi okay isami arithmetic iformula yesami ethini arithmetic ithi n over 2 a plus i-last term angithi ibuye ithi sn equal to n over 2a plus n minus 1 multiply by ud. Uyabona. Then masifuna-ke i-value ka-m like i-position like m is equal to 10 yabo shuthi ama-terms alakhe phethini angakhe awu-10. Then masisebenzisa le ikhona vele sn uyisamo u-n angithi akekho then u-n wethu lo wa-m angithi u-n suke sibheka ukuthi siku-position number so siku-position m angithi siku-position m shuthi sofaka u-m la. Then i-term ekumele siyifake la i-last term asinayo-ke last term thina shuthi le formula lena isiyakhanseleka cause u-last term uzoba i-unknown no-m abe unknown vele angithi for ukuthi-ke u-n-ke angithi yini shuthi la sile iyasebenza 1189 sisiyayisebenzisa. U-n simthola kanjani since iqale ku-1 shuthi-ke i-last term vele kuzoba u-m kanje. For enye indlela yokuthola u-n representa ngabani ubala kanjani sithi n is equal to top number minus bottom plus u1 okay okuzoba ubani-ke m is top n likwana no-top number ku-m minus u1 okuyi-bottom number naye plus u1 lo yam-eda nje imethod le yokwenza shuthi uyabona ukuthi kuphuma bani u-m shuthi kufair ukuthi sivele substitute bani u-m la cause sifuna lo bani u-m vele m okuyi-last term and i-position last term over 2 sifuna ini ama-first 3 terms u-a representa ini i-first term ukusho ukuthi-ke nawo ama-first 3 terms ubani ithemu iqala sitholile u-minus 15 thina la u-n wethu ubani u-m minus 1 ubani-ke u-d cause i-arithmetic angithi sishilo shuthi i-d simthola kanjani ngokusubtracta laphana sithi if u-minus 11 minus i-term esemva kwakhe okuwu-minus 15 shuthi sithola bani u-4 u-positive 4 okuwukuthi lana sesifaka i-value ka-d u-4. Then usuwenza njani-ke ufuna ukuthola ku-m angithi for ukuthola u-m just into ongayenza kuqala ungenza njani cause lo 2 udivayidile ungenza njani either umultiply ngaye throughout or uya cross multiply since lokhu sekuyi-fraction okuwukuthi kuzokunikeza into ethini mase cross multiply m la sino-1 angithi la kufanele ukuthi 2 divide yonke into cause multiplyile then uku-m multiply by angithi senza lokhu la phakathi u15 multiply by 2 angithi u-minus 30 angithi u-minus 30 bese kuba m ukuba u4m minus u4 multiply lokhu kokubili senza lokho la phakathi naku la sekusimplifyekile multiply by u-m okulingana nobanike 1189 multiply by 2 cause cross multiplyile oku-2378 then emva la silana sine bracket lokugcina then mase silana ke soyasolve ku-m wakho ngokwenza njani ngokuthi multiply in kulama brackets lawo then mase multiply in ke sithola bani sino m sino m kanje sibe no minus 30 sibe no 4m minus 4 is equal to u2378 ya kuba kanjena then imvala nasiya multiply yakhe 30 multiply by negative m m multiply by 30 negative 30 minus 30m angithi singakayi lapho ke singakayi lapho sonze njani sithi m asalethu m multiply no30 no4 ukukhipha minus 120 m sibuye size la uzophuma upositive banike u30 multiply by u4 upositive 120 la cause vele kuyafana ngithi kanje is equal to 2378 okuwukuthi sesino m singamultiply ke la minus 120 m squared plus 120 m is equal to 2378 yabona sekuno squared shothi sekuyini quadratic then or parabolic singomtranspose aka ngale 120 m squared minus 120 m naye amlandela uzosho isign mase sifica bani sifica u2378 positive sekusele u0 ngale u0 sinomthatha simphonze ngapha noma simphonze ngale u-right kodwe ngapha usuya checka ukuthi factorizable yini u-a wakho u120 u-b u-c plus then usuya checka 120 squared using quadratic formula u2378 then kubonakala ngathi kune mistake esiyenzile for ama calculation 1189 times 2 1189 times 2 is 2378 the value of m say 1178 is equal to m over 2 1 just to verify ukuthi yonke into senze kahle indla 1189 m over 2 bese kuba u2 multiply by a 4 minus 19 u minus 15 ku right la ku right lo yes ku right then inkinga bese iba kuphika bese sithi m minus 1 multiply by u4 uzosikhiphela 2378, yes, logo right, is equal to m into 2 times 15 minus 30 esekuba u4. Okay, sikhohle upositive sign la. Upositive sign lo uhamba kanje, sikhohlwe yena. Okusho ukuthi ke le part le ibisi imoshakele. Then sesineqhubezela kanje. U2378 is equal to m over 2 into minus 115 plus okuyinto ekanje. Into ekanje sesino positive la before m minus 1 ukuthi lana akekho lo 2, just 1. 2378 is equal to m multiplied by minus 30 angithi lo go2 plus ubani u4m minus u4 kanje. 2378 is equal to 1 u-m mele enziwanike, mele multiply la, then shuthi kuzobani u4m squared u-minus 34, shuthi u-minus 34 m, since lawa ama-like terms qala kuzophuma minus 34. Ukuthi ke la sesizotranspose lo 4m squared minus 34m minus 2378 equals to 0. Then sesiyayizama ukuthi factorize 34 plus 34 squared. Then khani-ke kwenzekani kushuthi ama-factors wethu since sidila ngo-m ungafaki u-x, wena ngithi sijwayele u-x, shuthi khumbula ukuthi udila ngobani, udila ngo-m la, ungafaki u-x as like ujwayele i-quadratic formula isolve ngo-x, khumbula ukuthi sikhuluma ngo-m, shuthi sithole 29 minus 29. Always masila factorize sifaka bracket sign siyayishintsha ngithi, then siyabuya sila ngapha i-position lesifunayo singakhohlwa. Sithini denominator multiply by m, i-negative angithi shuthi izoba positive bani lo phezulu 41 equal to 0. Okuwukuthi sizothi lokhu equals to 0 kuzokuthi ubani ke m minus 21 equal to 0, then m zolingana nobani no29 if somtranspose lana m is equal to minus 41 over 2. Sifuna i-position, u-m angithi uyi-position, shuthi lena ayiqualify angithi, shuthi m wethu ubani u-29 ngoku-right, yeah, m wethu is 29. M equal to 29, then yeah, then fene we reject la any answer uthi ufake u-cross notes equals to, then sesilana ke sesiqedile ngo-question 2 bekuyila question 2 obe u6 marks u4 marks le question besiqeda kuyenza. Question 3 still kusama-pattern ama-patterns sebethini naye i-pattern yethu is a quadratic number pattern, i-quadratic number pattern. Then my quadratic number pattern kusho ukuthi ke ayinayo ini ilong i-constant difference yakhona ayine constant eyi-second difference. It's just a little repeat of everything. It's just like there's no venue to actually go and like practice. The only thing I think I can do is watch YouTube and look at the bank reconciliation, because that's the only thing that like I can say is like I'm toughing out. Everything else I know for reason to fit. Yeah, then sorry for the camera. Then lana basibethi write down the next two terms of the pattern.
Yes, I'm trying my best. Like, hey, this food I can